guys and welcome to Hello guys, welcome to HMD Production. Now, it's been a long time since we've done a tutorial, so today I'm back with a new one, and this time I'm back with Illustrator tutorial. Now, today we're gonna start with a new thing. Now, I'm opening a new document. That's mean a new document showing up from the Illustrator. Now, you have multiple option here. You have web, you have device, which is you could connect from USB. You have video and film, basic, flash, builder. Now, I'm going to explain later in this tutorial which one which is doing, but right now we have to use the web, and we have to choose this kind of size, the size of a normal web page, left, right, we keep it the same. And you can use fixed templates, but I'm gonna use it freehand. Now we have a lot of tools. We have select tool and we have the overall select tool. It's like in Photoshop we have a lot of similarity, like this one, the magic wand, pen tool. I'm know you're familiar with that, but let's jump with all the difference. What makes this one difference from the Photoshop is it's about drawing and effects more than fixing photos. So let me show you what I mean. First of all, let's draw something simple. Rectangular tool. Yeah, let's drag this baby on over here. One. And let's draw another shape over here. Two. Now you see there's these connection, and later I'm going to explain why are these so important. They light up these like AutoCAD or something like that, but let's stay with the selection tool. Drag over here. You can move any shape you want by one click, while if you use this one, it's only click on the object above. Let's only select one. This is select overall. You can move both of them. So I'm gonna explain layer by layer. Now, Control Z, or you can just delete. I'm gonna draw a new one. I'm gonna hold the Shift key. That's perfect square, and let's draw another shape, hexagon, starting from the center, and we hold da, and okay, duplicate this one, escape, and then you can have a multiple time, or you can hold the Alt key and drag, Alt, drag, Alt, drag. Very simple, no problem there. Now, after we finish all, we can just select, delete. Perfect. Now, one of the thing you have here is the pen tool. You can draw a line, multiple line, but you can also control these line. You can have the overall tool, but select tool, just like Shift, and you have this lever over here. You can control Shift. It's like the pen tool, but it's more easier to control with Alt C, Alt. It's very easy right here. Now this way it will be more easier if you use the pen rather than a mouse. It's very hard, but you get the idea, right? Okay, cool. So now we're gonna talk about the circle. Let's start with circle actually. Circle 1, circle 2, circle 3, 4, 5, unnumbered time of circle. Now let's say we just had a okay guys, we're back with you right now, and I know this been a long tutorial, so I'm gonna try to shortcut things over here. So very fast, I'm gonna show you the toolbar over here. Drag to the middle and try to show you the brushes. Now in this option of brushes, we have to use the brush tool and just draw a line like this. See how smooth the brush tool is? Now later I'm gonna show you why it's very important, but this one, let's keep this one for later. If we select this one, we click, it's gonna fill automatically. You can click any color you want. You can fill it with a okay, press pattern right here, and you can make the size bigger. Okay, that's very nice. Now let's go for the symbols. You have right over here, drag a symbol, and you can put it if you're designing, you know, a card or a moving. But let's just get rid of this one, delete, let's get a new one, Wi-Fi. Yeah, they are moving, but you have to save them in PHD, not web PHD. But I'm gonna show you later how to do this one. Oh yeah, look at this. This one usually come fixed, you cannot change. Color guide, you can change color. Wow. And this is a gradient, transparency, yeah, blah blah blah. Yeah, we're not gonna use those very much, but just a need introduction. Okay, very cool. Now back to the basic. I'm gonna show you something really quick over here. Back to the normal circle, click on shift. We have a circle right over here. I'm gonna draw another circle, shift, and right over here. Start from this point, shift, right over here. Then I'm gonna take this one, move it right over here to the center. Take this one, move it right over here, right in this center. Okay, good. Now back to circle one, draw from the center, right here, boom. Put it right in the center of the former circle, right here, I guess. Cool. Alt, drag, center again. Now I'm gonna show you some cool trick right over here. Now like you see over here, it's transparent. You can switch from the overall, from the stroke, or from the filling. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do that. It's a little bit complicated. First you have to select, of course, but yeah. So you have this tool, select all. You have this tool, and you can merge together. Oops, whoa, look at that. That look amazing. Then you can fill black color like this. Cool. Select the small one, you can fill with black color like this. If you want to make the, see, no big difference, but you can change that one too. Kaboom! Now you've got Yang Xing, or whatever they call this circle. So ninja circle, whatever they call this. So it's pretty cool. Awesome. Okay, so now we came to the end of our tutorial. let's just show you some of the thing. You have this tool and this tool. Now, why this tool is different than this tool? Well, this one draw the stroke. If you choose this one, blah blah, this one, blah blah, and you can change the color of this offset. You can offset also using Alt or using the other tool. Now, I'm going to show you this one. It's a straight line over here. You can change to an arc, make it a perfect angle using Shift. You can draw another arc using Shift, another arc using Shift. You can flip it around, you know, like this. And maybe, you know, take this point over here, maybe over here, you know, try to connect them with each other. You can zoom in, same as Photoshop, and you have like, you get the idea over here. Okay, why it's important to have this tool. Now later we're going to show you how to trace back using this tool. We can move the canvas around, we can make it bigger if we want, but also you've got the eraser. You can erase any part like this. You can have two separated with. After you erase, you realize now you have vertex. You can move the vertex around. You can manipulate and change from the same line. It's all basics. So this will be the end of our tutorial. I don't want to use more of this tutorial on the basic stuff. We have to get to the professional, how to design, how to manipulate the shape, and how to trace back and use it for drawing. Remember, it's not very difficult to use. It just pure design. So if you want to be a pure designer, you can also use the Photoshop. It's only complements the Photoshop. If you know how to use Photoshop, you're pretty much gonna know how to use Illustrator. They're both very similar. They have similar tools. They have similar options. They both have. But later, after the tutorial of Illustrator, I'm gonna show you the bridge. It's an awesome program, the bridge, and I'm show you how to use the bridge, and how to connect between bridge and what's the difference between Illustrator and illustrating on the bridge. So guys, if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. This is Bakr Hamuda, HMD Production, and see you on the next tutorial.